In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw zone TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark a clean, accurate price zone on your chart so it stands out clearly during your analysis. First, open your chart in TradingView. It can be any market or time frame you're studying. Think about the area you want to highlight, typically a support, resistance, supply, or demand region where price has reacted multiple times or moved decisively. Having that in mind before you draw will make the next steps much easier. Now look to the left side of your screen for the vertical toolbar. Find the rectangle tool there. This is the tool built specifically for marking zones because it gives you a solid, visible block of space that spans both price and time. If you don't see the rectangle right away, it's grouped under the Shapes icon. Click and hold on the Shapes icon to expand the full menu of drawing shapes, then choose Rectangle. That little press and hold action reveals the hidden tools so you can pick exactly what you need. With the rectangle selected, move your cursor to the top left corner of the area you want to mark. Click once to anchor the starting point, then hold and drag diagonally to the bottom right. As you drag, you'll see the rectangle taking shape, covering the price range you want to highlight. This motion sets both the vertical bounds of your zone, its high and low, and its horizontal span across the chart. Release the mouse when the box roughly covers your intended area. From here, refine it. Click the rectangle to select it, then drag the edges or corners until the box precisely frames the zone you care about. Use the top and bottom edges to align with the highs and lows that define your level, and shift the whole box left or right if you want it to cover more or less history. The goal is to capture the heart of the move, or the cluster of reactions that make this a high probability area for you. Take a moment to look at how it reads visually. A good zone should be obvious at a glance and not overly tight. If you prefer marking wicks, set your edges to the extremes. If you prefer candle bodies, align to the closes and opens. Either approach is fine. Just be consistent with your method. That's it. Open your chart, choose the rectangle tool, draw from top left to bottom right, and fine-tune the edges until your price zone is crystal clear. Practice this a few times, and it'll become second nature.